Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Sunan Giri expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. It's completely free on the MT4 market, which is always worth a look, and the developer positions it as a flexible system you can run with or without Martingale, and it promises hidden stop losses on every trade. Sounds straightforward, but let's dig into what the page actually says and how it holds up in testing, because I ran my own backtest to verify these claims. So ensure you watch until the end of this video to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it, you can get it for free by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now let's talk about Sunan Giri. The MQ5 page for Sunan Giri is pretty minimal. No flashy backtest screenshots or live signals, which is actually refreshing compared to some EAs. The developer Victor Aditya keeps the description short and to the point. It says the expert advisor can use either a no Martingale strategy or Martingale depending on your settings. Every single trade gets a hidden SL for protection. They mention it has been backtested for 5 years and they recommend a minimum balance of $1,000. From what's visible, this isn't some hyperactive scalper. It seems designed to wait for the right conditions rather than trading non-stop. The flexibility is the main highlight. You decide how aggressive you want the recovery side to be. No big profit promises or crazy win rate claims plastered everywhere, just the core mechanics, optional martingale, hidden stops, and ability to customize it for different market conditions. It's presented as something you can adapt, whether you want conservative one-shot trades or a bit more recovery power when things move against you. And the developer highlights the dual mode approach. You can turn Martingale on or off completely based on your preferences. Hitting SL on every trade is a key point, and all of these are the features that they preach. Yeah, overall the marketed strength is this adjustability, make it safer for ranging markets or let the recovery kick in during tougher periods. There's not much information here, just this, and has about 8 reviews and 48 comments of people who have used it. And this expert advisor is actually free, so you can get it for free. You don't need to pay anything for it. These are some screenshots from people who have used it, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, some of the inputs. Well, I had the opportunity to run my own backtest on this expert advisor from April 2025 to April 2026. Solid 100% history quality, and I ran it on EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame. I also used a $10,000 starting deposit on the every tick modeling. Now the equity curve starts relatively stable with some small growth, a few little dips, but then around mid period you see one sharp nasty vertical drop that takes a big chunk out of the account. After that, it kind of flatlines and slowly grinds with limited recovery. It ended the year down roughly 17 to 18%, and profit factor came in at 0.62, which is not great, and win rate around 73%, which looks decent on paper. But you have these big losing trades and one streak that hit nearly $1,950. The developer doesn't overhype numbers, which I respect, but this shows the reality of that optional martingale. Even with settings tuned, when the market trends hard against your positions, the averaging can stack up fast. And remember, these results can vary a lot depending on market conditions, position sizing, and the risk settings you choose. In practice, live trading with spreads and slippage usually makes it tougher than the backtest. I used the default settings for this backtest, and it gave me exactly the result which I have shown you. The inputs that matter are actually the use Marty for turning recovery on or off. We also have the peep step and multiplier for how fast it adds positions. We have the Bollinger Bands and multi-time frame stochastic filters, plus that hidden SL which defaults to 0. Dangerous if you don't set it properly. Everything is here to set and edit to your preferences. Honestly, the thing is, this expert advisor performs okay in choppy ranging conditions where mean reversion works, but it struggles in strong trends. News events can trigger those big drawdowns, and since there's no built-in filter, call fitting is a risk with all the adjustable parameters. And my verdict for Sunan Giri is that it's a solid free option if you're experienced and willing to monitor and tweak it, but keep Martingale conservative or off. Use a good low spread broker and proper VPS, but beginners or anyone looking for true set and forget with low stress, you're better off avoiding this expert advisor. The drawdown behavior in live conditions can get painful quickly. This one's for patient traders who like customizing expert advisors and accepting some risks for the flexibility. And that is the end of the video. If you like this, like the video and subscribe and turn on notifications so you catch next expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which expert advisor should I review next, and don't forget to check out the free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.